Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to show you the apartment tour. So right now it's really cloudy outside, but you can still see like all the natural light that comes in. This is what we brought from our old apartment. And it's just a lamp, we have hats, keys, purses. I have some little ornaments from when I went traveling in Japan and Germany. This came with the apartment, so that's really nice. Also, this is the mudroom where we keep our shoes. We keep our board games, our card games, and also just our reusable bags when we go grocery shopping. Now to the kitchen. It's probably one of my favorite parts of the whole apartment. It is very modern, which I didn't know if I liked. I really like warm colors. I just feel like this just feels so elegant and classy. I bought these last time I went to the grocery store. This is also where we have our breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is basically our dining room table. It's just our island. We come this way. This is where everything is. We have a full sink, which is really nice. I know in our last apartment, we didn't get to have that. We have fruit bowls, utensils, oil, salt, pepper, a really cool knife set, which we really like, cutting boards, and then our coffee and tea set. And so what I really like about this apartment is it's kind of messy right now. This is not a perfect apartment tour, but it's just like we just have so much room for coffee, tea, everything we need. And now let's get to the living room. And so we have like different themes throughout the whole apartment. And so the living area is very modern, very, kind of like I said, like not too much color, but we're really sticking with the colors, gray, white, black, and we really wanted to put in green. This is a money tree, which I thought was really fun. So it's real. I've been trying to get more real plants, and it's just gorgeous. We got these magazines. This stuff, the TV we already have. I've had this TV forever. We did try to mount it. It just wasn't going to work the way we wanted it, so we're probably gonna take that out. And here we have like, not very much. We have like some peppermint spray. Sometimes when we go into the balcony, it gets warm, so I just have this. So like from on the balcony, I can just grab this real quick. And then we have these coasters, which is from the local Appalachian Mountain Visitor Center. And I said they were so beautiful. And that is the living area. I guess people go outside right now. Like I said, it is rainy. It is cloudy today. So I'm gonna try and put in some videos of the view without the rain, but I think it's still so beautiful. You can see the green bushes and everything. And what I really love is that it's so quiet. And so we got these from Home Depot. They were actually the last ones they had. We're so thankful. And then this is a candle, but I've had it. My grandpa gave it to me. And it's a candle, but I just love it so much. I just use it as a little gnome outside. And you can hear the birds. It's so nice. All right. And the kitchen wasn't my favorite. I think the balcony definitely is. Okay, so we're gonna go to the office next. So we kind of have like a his, hers. So this will be my side and this is his side. His is very black, rustic. You can see he has a bar, his working area, everything like that. And then for mine, I have flowers, I have some colors, I have like a very nice light wood. I was trying to get these two to match, but it's a little hard when you shop online, but I really love how it turned out. I feel like it looks so beautiful. We're still trying to figure out exactly how I want it, but I think right now it's good. Something else we have in here are these sheer curtains, because when the sun goes down, it comes down right here. So it's very, very bright in the afternoons. But we're still getting blackout curtains. They haven't come in yet. So I'll give an update when those come. But when I was sitting at the desk yesterday, it was so beautiful just looking over and seeing all the greenery, all the mountains. It was so nice. And you can go through the bathroom, either this way or this way. It's kind of like the guest bathroom. And this is the guest bathroom / Kayla's bathroom. So I actually this is a fake plant. I've had this plant forever. And so it's just like one little piece of greenery, but we've kind of stuck his to being black. So it's like everything black. So black curtains. This is also where the tub is. So when I want to take a bath, this is where I would go. And then he has his own closet. And so in here is just all of his stuff. He has all of his clothes lined up, his shoes. It's very organized. Again, not perfect, but we're technically still moving in. It's only been about a week. And let's go to the bedroom. Oh, before we go, this is the laundry. So we do have laundry. So he's going here. This is also where the vacuum is. This is our laundry basket. We also have an iron here if you want to iron our clothes. Mop, broom, everything we need is in here. So nice. And this is the bedroom. Over here we have a true whale fin plant. It is real. I've had that the longest. It's still hanging on somehow, so I'm really thankful for that. And this is a hibiscus tree. Right now I have it inside just because it's been really windy and rainy. We tried keeping it outside, but it was just going everywhere. So right now it's inside. And then this is my side. Just have my Bible, my lamp, just a few things here and there. And then the same thing. We have these beautiful curtains, and it just really lets in more natural light. It's so beautiful. And then last but not least is the bathroom and my closet. So I'm very lucky. I get 2 vanities. So I have like my toothbrush, my soap, I have my jewelry box, and just moisturizer, perfume, stuff like that. Just another candle. His was a bath, and so mine is actually a shower. So I don't have a bath in here, that's why I take a bath in his. But that's where I would shower and get ready and everything. And then we have a closet for storage, put loofahs, you know, anything we need to in there. So I want to show you that picture. So I've had this picture for so long. It's kind of like exactly what I imagined. And I also just love how you can like turn and see the greenery. It just looks so beautiful. And last but not least is my closet. It's definitely a work in progress. So I have like a lot of stuff hung up. I also have a full stand mirror, which is really nice. And then we just have some extras. So we have blankets, hats, my suitcases. So there's plenty of room. So I never feel like I feel claustrophobic or anything. We could also put stuff up there if we needed to. But I think one of my favorite parts of the whole house, can you see? Is when I walk out, because I had to do my view. But when I walk out of the bathroom, you just see all this greenery. It's so beautiful. It's probably my favorite part. And that was the full apartment tour. What did you guys think? Would you guys do anything differently? Any recommendations on plants? I would love to know. Did you have a favorite part of the house? Did you like the bedroom because of the warm wood? Or like the kitchen because of the sleek modern? I remember when I was talking to a guy, I was like my dad's friends, and he said he loves modern. So I know there's definitely 2 sides of the coin. And I'm really thankful that this apartment we were able to have both, with the office being more light wood and the bedroom being more light wood, and then have this modern feel in here. So I would love to know your thoughts, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.